Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and reset LinkedIn password? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, open any browser that you prefer and simply go ahead and search for linkedin.com just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on this sign in button on the top right. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and enter your email or phone right over here and enter your password. However, your password is something that you want to go ahead and reset. Click on this button which says forgot password down over here. Simply go ahead and enter the email or phone that is linked with that LinkedIn account, and they'll send a verification code to the email or phone number if it matches an existing LinkedIn account. Simply go ahead and click on next, and you're gonna go ahead and get a code to go ahead and enter right back here. And once you enter the code, you're gonna reset your password. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.